welcome back. Now that we have our account set up, so we can start coding with Scratch. We will be using code blocks to create our games. Let's learn more about it. On the left hand side of our screen, we find some colorful puzzle pieces, which are the coding blocks. These blocks will be used the most in our games, and hence we need to make ourselves familiar with them. The puzzle shaped blocks speak for themselves, and yes, we need to lock these pieces together to make one full game. This can be easily done by dragging and dropping these on the editor. Each color belongs to some category, like blue is for moving the objects in the game, and pink is for creating sound effects. Let's look into few magnetic properties they have. Now, just like actual puzzle games, we need to find shapes that lock with others. And as you can see, when I bring this block close to this one, it behaves like a magnet and is automatically attracted to it. And when I leave it, snap, they just stick together. Also note that the blocks will stick only if the pieces match. So if we try to join this block with this one, it simply won't. Removing the blocks is simple too. Just grab them and dump them on the left. We can create anything we like by joining meaningful pieces together, which we will explore in our course. That's it for this tutorial. In the next one, you will learn about Hello World program. Enjoy Scratch programming and see you in the next video.